There are some friends, let's be clear, that you have in life who marry people that you simply don't understand. And you're left totally bemused. You know, there goes my friend, you know, just suffocated by some boa constrictor, disappeared, gone. There was a good person here, no longer. Now, Daria, with you, this could never even be the case at all. You support James, you encourage him to be his own person, and you're wholeheartedly not just committed to each other, but also nurturing yourself most wonderfully. You're beyond thoughtful, kind, intelligent, and you do know a thing or two about the blockchain, even if James doesn't. You light up any room, and you always make an effort to meet new people and extend your warmth, and I'm deeply honoured to call you a dear friend in your own right. And if James's guts ever get a moving a bit too much, you can always call on me for emotional and moral support.
Perhaps unsurprisingly, therefore, Daria's resilience is one of her many amazing attributes. A trait that sits alongside being fiercely loyal, as you'd expect from the Don, intelligent, a linguist with command in no less than 5 languages, always optimistic, seeing the good no matter the situation, and most importantly, incredibly kind, supportive, and with the biggest and best heart. In my view, never has there been a truer example of a better and more beautiful path, and someone who has been, and no doubt will continue to be, the perfect foil. I cannot wait to what's ahead with her by my side, so for my final toast this evening, to my beautiful wife herself, Daria.
Daria and James, you guys have been a team for well over a decade. That's 13 years and counting, and Spurs have still won nothing. And I would know, I've been to literally every game. It's a marvellous achievement, and one that you've blessed us all to have shared on your journey so far. You show each other tremendous kindness, generosity, and have built a beautiful life together. And you make anyone fortunate enough to be in your mutual company to feel totally at ease with themselves, and I think that's a tremendous accolade. We simply can't wait to see what's next. We very much hope it's full of babies. But no pressure. You've got about 20 minutes. So all my love, and here's to James and Daria. We can't wait to see your next adventure.
We were made for this.